Good morning everyone. So today we are going to do one experiment, that is to study the water holding capacity of garden soil and sandy soil. Okay, for that we required two measuring cylinder, we required two funnel, we required filter paper, two soil sample. That is we have measured 25 grams each. We need 50 ml water. Okay, so here we go with the next step, that we have to place the funnel in the measuring cylinder. You have to fold the filter paper like this and you have to place it in both the funnel. Okay, and then we will put the soil sample which is already measured and kept, that is 25 grams. In both the funnel. Okay, so the next step is we'll pour 50 ml water, okay, in both the funnel together, slowly.
Yeah, let it make the complete soil wet, right?
Yeah. We'll wait till the tickling stops, okay? So we'll keep it undisturbed till that.
Okay guys, now see, the water trickling has stopped, okay, and soil is almost dry, because whatever water it can hold, it has been holding, and the remaining water has fallen into the measuring cylinder. But unfortunately, when we take the measurement from any angle, whatever we like, we may not get the exact reading, and as you all know, we should take the reading from the eye level, and that is to avoid something called parallax error. Kindly underline parallax error. So let me go to the eye level and take the reading for you. So now we can see the sandy soil, we have collected around 45 ml of water, whereas in clay soil you can see we have collected 42 ml. That means sandy soil has saved or stored or absorbed only 5 ml, and clay has absorbed around 8 ml. Clay is the garden soil, so that shows garden soil has more ability to hold water, and that makes it more fit for cultivation purpose and all, whereas sandy soil is not able to hold that much, and it has not been chosen for cultivation purpose. So guys, while doing this experiment, we have to focus on various precautions, like the amount of soil weight should be exactly same. There should not be a difference between the weight of the soil used. Secondly, the amount of water poured in both the funnel must be exactly same. Okay, they have to be kept constant. And thirdly, the filter paper has to be thoroughly checked for any damages prior to the experiment, so that if at all you find, replace it, or it may allow more water to seep down. The only variable in this experiment is the water collected at the bottom, which shows the water holding capacity, and the other two, the amount of water poured and amount of soil weighed are kept constant. So I hope the experiment is very clear for you. Thanks a lot for watching.